This is a poem written for the National Trust at Hay Festival this year, and it's called Hiraeth, which is a Welsh word, which is untranslatable. And really, I wanted to get that sense that some of our greatest outdoors experiences are untranslatable. A word to the wise and the witless alike. Your language isn't big enough for all this air. So, borrow breath from hills and cowslips. Chatter over itchy blanket picnics. Rally in the pheasant feather woods, or go beachcombing for salt solitudes, freshwater silences, and cloud-patched tours. Knee-deep in cow dung and kingfishers, nose in the rushes, head in the clouds, your backpack full of zip and splash, the weather no more relevant than any other pattern. Scoot through nettled paths, or skinny dip through rainy afternoons. Collect the small change struck by finches to claim a long, tall pims of a day. You can call it chymni digiro, or just good luck, but it's unspeakable. If there's a word for it, it sounds like laughter.